Hello everyone, welcome to Gooyaar. My name is Siavash and in this video I am going to tell you that what is Scratch and how we can make animations, stories and games with it. So I hope you enjoy this video. By the way, this video is for Persian kids. So I am going to put English subtitles in here for you to see the English words and search them if you don't know their meanings. And if I saw that I use a big word or a word that is hard for you to understand, I am going to write it up here in my notes for you to see it. And then after this video, I'm going to put it in my Telegram channel for you to find it and practice it and make your English better. This course helps you to upgrade your English and your Scratch. So I hope you enjoy it and let's start the video. So right now we are going to download the Scratch. So right now I'm going to just type Scratch, okay? Scratch. And then I'm going to hit enter and there we go. The first site that appears is Scratch. So we are going to click on it and we wait a little bit and there we go. Now we are in Scratch. So how we can download it? Okay, there are two ways to use Scratch. The first way is to hit the create button. So if you hit it, we are going directly into making a Scratch project just like this. Okay, so you don't need to actually download it. Okay, we're going to use it. So I'm going to teach you what is these all of stuff, but not right now. So how we can download the Scratch in our computer. Okay, so in order to download this Scratch, we're going to scroll down, all the way down, and in the resources column, okay, I'm going to write the column meaning. The column means this, ستون. So in the resources column, we're going to find download, and when we click on it, we are going to go in this page, and after we scroll down a little bit, we're going to see four options. We're going to see get it from Microsoft for Windows users. Download on the Apple Store for Mac users, Mac OS users, and Google Play for Chrome OS users and Android users. So basically, we are Microsoft users, but if you're Android user as well, you can download it on Google Play, but we're not, so we're going to get it from Microsoft. So we wait a little bit, and now we are in Microsoft Apps Store. Wait a little bit. Okay, I think we have a tiny problem in here. Our internet is a little bit weak right now. So yeah, now we are in the site. So we are going to hit the button, hit the download button, and then we can download the Scratch. And the process of downloading it and installing it is pretty much easy. You can get help from your parents as well. So right now, I already downloaded the Scratch, so now we don't have to do anything in here. We can use this Scratch or this one that I downloaded in my computer. So we are going to use this one. For now, I'm just going to tell you that what are these blocks and and what are we going to do with them? So the first one, let me bring up my note. The first one here is motion. What is motion? Oh, I'm sorry. No, it's not this. Motion. What is motion? Motion means حرکت. حرکت. Okay. The second one is looks. Looks. به معنی ظاهر. look به معنی دیدن هم میشه، اما looks به معنی ظاهر هست. looks. Let me just no ظاهر. ظاهر. looks به معنی ظاهر. Okay. The third one is sound. What is sound? Sound. Oh, سخعدی. I'm sorry. Sound means صدا. صدا. The next one is events. This one might be a little bit hard. Events. What does events mean? اتفاقات. رویدادها. رویداد. Okay, yeah. رویدادها. رویدادها. Okay. Okay. The next one is control. Control means the same. Control. پایش. Yeah, it's kind of easy, so I'm not going to write it down. Let me just write it down. Control means control. Control in Persian. And the next one is sensing. 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 حس کردن. حس کردن. حس کردن. Okay. The next one is operators. Operators. Operatorها or operators means عملگرها. عملگرها چیه؟ بهتون میگم. No. عملگرها. Okay. The next one is variables. This one is really important, and we have so many things to do with variables. They're pretty handy. Okay. Variables. Okay. متغیرها. Okay, and the last one is my blocks. My blocks. My blocks. My blocks means بلوک های من. بلوک های من. بلوک های من. Okay. That's enough for now. So column means ستون. Motion means حرکت. Looks means ظاهر. Sound means صدا. Events means رویدادها. Control همون کنترل معنی میده. Sensing یعنی حس کردن. عملگرها یعنی operators. Variables یعنی متغیرها. و در نهایت my blocks یعنی بلوک های من. Okay, so what are these things? Here we have our blocks, okay? These are all blocks, okay? But this one, the last one here, is your custom blocks. You can make your own block. Okay, this here we have our stage. See, we have our stage, and this is our cat. This is our sprite. Let me write it down. Sprite. Oh, it's not like this. Sprite. Okay. Sprite means شخصیت. شخصیت. What does that mean? It means شخصیت, character. See? Like, for example, this one, this little cat is our character or our sprite. Okay? In this video, I'm just going to make this cat run for 10 steps. So, first of all, we're going to go in advanced, and for all of our programs, we're going to use this block. This means when this icon, this flag clicked, okay? When it clicked, we run our cat. We do stuff with our cat. So for example, I'm going to move our cat 10 steps. So if I press this icon, press go, or this flag, the cat is going to move 10 steps. See? See that? 10 steps, 10 steps, 10 steps. It's running right now. Isn't it great? So, in following videos, in next videos, we are going to make so many other moves with our cats, and we may make a story or animation. So, subscribe to our channel and follow our next video. Goodbye!